Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we are going to create a dashboard design, right? So first, before we start, I would like to express my thankful to all you guys for the last video that you have supported. Thank you. And for those guys who have commented and gave the suggestions, I appreciate all of them. And I'm trying my best to give a good quality of video with a good quality of sound, right? But as it has starts, so you all know guys, right? Thank you. So let's start, right? So here I have already got two, two things here, right? The first one is a copy of a dashboard which I imported from the design system of from Figma community, right? And second one is a wireframe generated by a ChatGPT. So what I am trying to do here is this wireframe should like this, right? So I will be converting this wireframe into this design, right? Right. So let's start. We will not making any frame this time, but exactly what I'm doing is duplicating this frame, bring it down here. Okay. All right. If you see, this is a man frame inside the desktop, right? And this is the right navigation bar. This is the top navigation bar, and this is the side left navigation bar, right? If you look around here in our wireframe, we only have top and left side navigation bar, right? And inside we have a frame here with four top class rectangles we have. One is a graph and some other list, right? And this is a quick summary displaying around here, right? So we are just transforming this black and white wireframe into this colorful design, right? Suppose what we are going to do is we will designing this part first, then we will go for this and later one by one from here, right? So if you look here, we have a text and an eclipse, we have an icon, we have an eclipse again, we zoom out and bring it here. This is the search navigation, search input bar, and this is the rectangle, right? So just quickly define here, right, what is it here and how we can transform that wireframe into this part. So we are not using any changes by the text or anything like that elements, but the design system used, right? So if we look, we have here, we have in a wireframe that search bar and icon bar and the profile look, right? Okay, so this has an again, okay, right? So this is an input field and I don't know what it is, but there's an icon and a rectangle here. Okay, so first we will go here and change this field. So for we can use that, we can give 8 pixels, 8-point radius to it. Good. And what we can do is here, just like this. And actually, I don't want this ring band. We will inputting our on bear, right? And this also I don't want here, some deleting. Okay. And okay, so what I think is let it be here, the same size. So differentiate the visualness, right? Okay, so I just want some icons here. So I'm using remix icon. For instance, only need two icon, right? So one is the bell, right? So I'm just typing a bell and I will prefer this. And okay, so next is a profile, right? Profile icon looks like a person. So I'm just writing a person and I'm using this one. Okay, let it be now for you. Remove this icon from the frame and also this. Good. And delete the frame. Okay. So first I want, okay, let it be okay. All right, so no, I don't want this. Remove this and duplicate it. Center. Good. Same as for this. Okay, all right. All right, so what we can do here is to look this part here as take it out. What else we can do? Here there is no such types of things. All right, so for this circle, let it be. So we have a fill, right? So we can just initiate this fill like little darker and reduce the opacity to like 30%. And we have a stroke here, right? So I'm be using a little gray shade. Instead of this, I'm using 0.5 center, let it be. And again, I'm just taking up from the center, right? Okay, and group it. So Okay, and for this, actually, I am also trying to let it be black. Center and 0.5. Okay, it's only making a more bolder, right? So don't need it. For this, using color fill like this one. I'm not giving a stroke here, so I'm just removing stroke from this. Or should I, okay, let it be a stroke. Instead of this, I'm using this one. All right, and again, 0.5. All right, good, recap. All right, so I'm just making a line it and giving it a 16 pixels difference between them. Okay, sorry, forget to give it a group. Now selecting again and just giving 16 pixels. No, right, good. And bringing these things here right now this color. Okay, all right. So for now we have give it here. I think just if we remove this thing, right? So I'm ungrouping it. Okay, control U. All right, so delete it. All right, no worries. Good. So this just giving 4-point radius. Good. Right. In selecting this thing and this thing, put it into the center on left and giving a space. Okay, good. And if I select this, I can give right. So moving this right. Good. Okay, we have seen right. If I control Z it, we have seen that there is also uh this thing here. So I don't know why it has been hiding. So I'm just bringing it in front, bring it here. Also, we want an icon, right? So such icon. Again, go to this thing and search. So we find and yes here. Suppose we'll be making up enough quick. So it's 12 pixels. Let be 12 and line so 12, right? So 14. Right, so 14 by 14. Good. 9. Giving like 4 into 4, 12. Good. Grouping them here. So I'm not using any auto layout for it. Okay. So I will rather from presenting it inside it, giving it here, and again grouping them. We can also use auto layout rise for the better responsiveness, but my goal is not for the responsiveness now. Selecting both of this element and lining here. Okay, good enough. Good. Let's select this again and good. All right. Right. So we have completed this part. Right. So with this part, I'm making up. So if you see here, like there are some icons given with each of the elements, right? So just give it right. So we have title here, right? So now we can increase it like to 16 points and making a give it a medium or semi. So we can go for the semi bold, right? So for this, actually, what I can do is selecting every elements one by one. I'm changing this to 14 pixel with medium, right? And it has been already selected, so I'm just giving it a good shape here, right? So we need some icons again, so I'm bringing up here. So we know we want a dashboard, so I'm just writing up a dashboard. Dashboard. dashboard looks what we get. So you're getting nothing here, right? So mm, horizontal, and this is right. I will be preferring this. Okay. Then in the order list, orders. Okay, so we can use notepad, not let's type list. Okay, so we have a list here, right? So is good for the orders, right? Then we have a product. So what we can get from product, or what we think about is product. If we type what we can get, okay, no, right? Okay, so let's go for the again shipments. Like if we type shipments, right? So we got this thing. We don't want if we say the shipment is done by truck, right? Oh, when so we have our truck here. This can be for the shipments. Then we have the clients. Clients are the person. So I'm just trying a person. So we got we can have this for the clients. Next is for the messages. So messages inbox. We can have we can use this, or we can have this one, right? That'll be okay. We will be using this. Didn't this what? All right. So messages reports, right? So we can type report. We got the report. Bring this here report. Okay. So next is settings. We got this one. So I'll be using this. Okay. So we only left out with the product. So we have product. Okay. Now what else we can search? We can link it up with the product. Is box, an empty box of product, right? We can use this boxes for the products. All right, so now we have finished. That'll be we call it up. Right, so for the dashboard, okay. For the orders, for the products, for the shipments, for the clients, for the messages, for the reports, for the setting. All right. So now we will look it up here and arranging this, say 18 by 18, and we this is for like 14, right? So not instead of 18, we can try for the like 16 by 16. Good. 20, like so we can decrease it up to like 16 by 16, I guess. Will be fine. Same for this. So 16 by right 19. Width. Okay, so height is 16. All right, so let it be here. Or let's hope we can change to its 14. Okay, go for the another one. So 20, right? So we'll be using 16. Okay, same for this. 16. That as well. 16. All right. Letting them aligning together by horizontally, and we can give. So it's already have 12 pixels, right? So that will be enough. It's 12 pixels. I'm grouping them or adding an outer layout. It is not working. Okay, so we can group them here. So a control group. Same for this. It will be quick, right? So you don't have to worry. 12, right? Okay, and give it a group. All right, so we have picked this. We have grouped them and aligned them, right? So what we need is selecting each one of them. It is an easy technique, right? So I'm aligning left, right? And using this, and again aligning left. Next, right? So from the top, I'm just giving 16 pixels or like 20 pixels. Okay. Again, I'm just looking at them all, right? One by one. I'm not using any fast way to do it, but making them a group. Right, so in future we want to we can distribute that right easily. And for this, I will be using like it's 26, right? So 26 is more than enough. So I'm using 24 and aligning them with the left. All right, good enough. And if you see, we have given this as a 4 point, so I'm also giving the 4 point radius. Okay, good. It's time for now, like we can say it's completely white and this is also completely white. So making it completely white here, full white. Now let's see with this, full white, right? So it has a stock. Will be removing, okay, giving 0.5 stroke to this and this as well, point CC, right? So it has CC, or I say 0.5 here as well. Okay, so we have completed this, but we can add, if we want, we can add much more things here. Right, so it's time for the another one. So we have the cards, right? For cards overview, we can have also actually we can do this and do these two things, right? But instead of that, I'm just covering up it here, so it won't take so much time. Okay, so if you look here, we have the color and everything is in auto layout here. Okay, good. Right, so selecting them here again and again. Okay, so we have this thing. Okay, but before we go, all right, so I will be first this take it up. So CC will be right, so CCC will be good. Instead of giving this, I'm giving 1 point center, right? And yeah, okay, so it's 12, right? Let it be 12, and color is fine, so no need to change it here, right? So what is here the man actually? So I will be making it more larger than this. So it will be the largest because the reflection is here, and I will be making it like bold or semi-bold. Semi-bold will be fine, right? And this should be 12, right? So I'm making it 14 and with the medium, right? So semi-bold with 15, this thing, and this will be 14 medium. It's fine, right? It be. Okay, so this number and this number should be like aligned words and should have like 64, right? And again, I'm making it a group first. Bring it around here, 108, right? Okay, good. So there is a difference between 32, right? So making it 32, right? So 32 will be fine enough. Its position is 128. Okay. All right. So same with these things. 16, semi-bold, good. And medium or thin, right? Right. For the box, we have given here just C and with the point one and C, C, point one, right. And now you're good. I'm just trying to give an auto layout. Okay. Yeah, all right. And giving the constraint here, a content, and I'm using 4 points, a content, right. I'm flipping them out. lining them, and there is a mix here, right? So mix will be like 24. All right, so good. Yeah, we got the space here. Right, we will be utilizing the space for moderations, right? Don't worry about it. So let's get with this thing right first. So how much we got it here, here, here. Okay, I'm dropping them again. So there should be not be any. All right, be good enough. So it's time to add the color. If it's look like there is a okay, let's give on color, right? Or we can add choose the thing. And we have the filter, right? So then use this. We can add for the first, right? Opening this, we can add the fill here, right? For the next fill, again, I'm just taking up this right one and opening this, right? Really making modification later on as well, right? So don't worry. Actually, the cards are about all same size. All right, so selecting them number one again and set up this fixed width. I'm using right. You see along this is not taken right. So 240, right? So 240 will be fine. Ungroup, we got it 64. Okay, let's try 60. Not what it. 56. No, can try 52. Okay, 52 is fine. So 52 is fine, right? Giving a breath here. I'm grouping them again. Okay. So this number actually not making up sense, right? It's not highlighting it enough. We can give 6 and we can have a little case. All right, so good. Let's go to the other sections. So I'm just putting up here. Instead of this, I'm giving all right. This little box has also a stroke, so same stroke with 0.5 center. All right, and let's see what has the failure. We can try the whole app and reduce this opacity stroke to 80%. Well, this is enough, good enough, looking good. Okay, so let's move for this part first. Right, so this is will be going to be 16. Actually, 14 will be great, and to the medium right here. And we see right. So let it be, but to change to like 6, right? And by selecting this kind of things here, we can make it to medium. Actually, let it be, but increasing it to 14. All right, and selecting them one by one and making it up, giving it up by 64. If we add 64, 68, 68, 72, or giving them more, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96, or 100. So 100 is fine, and aligning them with this. Good enough. All right, so good enough. I'm grouping them. Good. Just aligning the center and grouping them. Okay, so right. Yep, and we can give here just yeah, price 16 will be good enough. Okay, let's try with 14. Please, 16 is fine. Okay, let it be 14. Okay, and group them here. Let's try with this top and same thing here, 16. Good, and make them again a group. Right. So let's come back to here. So we have the border stroke width C and 0.5 with the radius corners 4 points. Good. So we'll be doing the same things here, right? Don't worry, we can add up for the graphs here, right? Recent messages, so we can have an plugin called plugins, run plugins of manage plugins, right? We can use Unsplash. We can use right portrait, right? So we can add this and give it up like 50. Okay, good. We can Maya Omar, right? So we got the Maya Omar is a man, so we can add this person. All right, so then selecting it here, 50. We got Omar. We got that Hana. Hana is a female name, right? Female name. Okay, so Hana will be like, right. So this look good. So this will be Hana. Clicking it and taking Hana. Right. So that's it. Bring only images right back here. Right. Good enough. So if you see here, right. So this is about 20 by 20. So that's what same height we want. So 20 by 20. Remove this. 20 by 20. Good. Same. 20 by 20. 20. Right. Okay. Good. Get the radius to 50. Right. We can crop it. Good. All right. So same for this. Drop it, bring it down, good enough. Right, you see, right, so taking the spaces, so she's my right. Okay, first, you see, right, so this is 14, right, so I'm making it 14 with regular, actually setting them both, so not going one by one. 14, and they should be 16 or 14, right? You see this thing, yes, 14 medium, 14 medium, good enough. Okay, so she's Maya, she is Umar, sorry, Umar, and she's Anna. All right. So remember we have given 14, right? So same thing here. You can choose them first and on it and give like 16. Sorry, you have to put them again. And group. It's not easy, but it's a lengthy price taking time. 16 and group them. 16, group them. Right. And they all have in between 14, right? So 14, good. I'm also making them a group here again. Group. Okay. But now say this, right? So you see, right, this, this. There is a 16 pixels, right? So same for this and this. Aligned left and 16 pixels. Right. Okay. So you can increase it height to 150, guess. Right. So there should be and group together. We can select this thing and bring to the center. Right. Good. Good. Okay. For this thing. All right. So we don't have to click. No, it take much time. So 14 here. Right. And a little bit regular. Make it 14 medium. Right. So all right. So there is an I guess 14. Yes, 14. Okay, so align them to the left, 14, and group them. Good. Select them. All right, sorry, again, left, and I guess 16 was the right. Good. 6, yes. Group them. Yes. Align this. Good. Selecting them both and center it, and we can group them. All right, so okay, so alert notification, low stock, Arden, Herald, payment pending, shipment delay, and I guess this is it should be a logo, right? So Asian low stock, payment pending, shipment delay. We can use icons here, right? So let's get back to a plugin from the sorry, come from the icon. So low stock means a low graph. So all right, so okay. So we got four icons here, right? We can just I'm using this one for the low stock one for right, and this is will be pending, and this will be like shipping delay. Right, so okay, good. Be fine. We got it by 12 by 12, right? So making 12. Okay, right. And I'm increasing its width first from 16 to 16, right? Okay, good. Okay, good. So this is for the right. Okay. So it's not good enough, right? So we have to change to 20, right? So we have okay, 20, 20. Good. All right. So and I'm changing this fill to 9 or like 4, 4, 6. Or let it break. Center and group it. Center and group. Center and group. Good. We have, if you see here, cannot forget, right? So forget one 14, right? So we'll be making a fourth. Actually, it will be little right, right? So no, don't worry. Okay, so I fill is here, and there is stroke of point 0.5 with CC. Good. Okay, with 16 pixels. Group. This group 16 pixels. Group, right? Okay, good. Right. So as we've seen here, right, lastly, there is a 14 pixel gaps, right? So 14 pixels. Good. And group them. And there is the start of the 16 pixels. So 16 pixels, right? Don't worry. Good enough. Select them, right? And line left group and same here. Center it. And let's check. And dig in. Let's check it out. Good. And group them. Right. So we got it. Here we have a. All right. So, but we have forget, right? One thing. That should be 1 second, please. Yeah, we forget that. As we see here, right, S volume, right, so should be 14 now. Okay, 614 with medium. Right, we have finished this. Right, so we can just quick move. Okay, we can decide one thing here. 18, right? So we don't want 18. We will be keeping like 16. For this should be 24, right? So Bring it up with 20, and between this two guys. Next, right, so let's try with 16 first. Group them, and select this 20, right, so 16 in the uniformity, right, okay. 20, right, so 16 from the top, and 16 here. I'm making up this adjustment here, right, it's 20, so I'm 16 again here. We got it. Okay. Right, so we just left out with this and this thing, but right? So let's start with this. Okay, so you see, right, listen, order should be, we have taken 14 and medium, right? So medium, good. And this particular part, right? So bringing up here, and instead of giving them as bold, right? So we'll be using semi-bold with 14, right? Right, so 12, fine, but 14 with regular will be good. Or instead of this, we only can have 14 or 12, right? Let's see. Okay, okay, all right. That makes right. So we can just adjust all things, right? So from side, let me side, but first we will see 14 pixels. Okay. Mm, okay. Good. All right. And from side by side should be 32, no, 32, 32, 38, 36, 40. Right. So 40 will be fine. Good enough. And just grouping them first. All right. Okay. So no, 22 is max, right? I'm making the same thing for 16 pixels, right? Okay. Good. And for similarly, we are given 40, right? So 40 next with 40, right? And then left and 40. What do you mean? There is a jargon here. Okay, right. There's a picture thing here, right? To think about it. I'm just have to check it. Left or right. So it is not aligned. Text is aligned. Okay. Same for this. Good. Right. We see here. Now we can't to go. Bottom one, right. 638. 38. Right. Now we can align these things with the horizontal. Right. And select this thing with the middle key. Right. Okay. So we're just spending with these things, right? So should all right. So this should have a fill a little green, a little more, yes. Okay, all right. So right. 14, right? So again, what do you think these things? 14 regular, nice. And 16 mixed with 24. And one more thing is pending, right? Give me a second. All right, so we will do it later. But for this, we have to do it. Okay, good. We broke down this thing, by the way, so don't worry. Okay, so it's been pending, right? So we will play one by one with the shape post. Right, so first for the 4 points, there should be a stroke. Should be of actually let it be a stroke. Okay, good. Okay, good. So pending should be like have a fill of little reddish or blackish. Okay, good. And this fill should be not on black, but instead white fit. Good. I'm just copying this thing for the stroke. Stroke and should be center and point 0.5. Right. And okay, center. Good. Okay, so but there are some more certain things here. You see, right? So radius is not enough. It's 70, right? So 7380 we'll find good enough for this things. Then we can just line, good, and put them first. Same for this thing, right? So resolve it. This fill is fine, so I'm just making up with the fill first, right? So green. Come to the green. Okay, good. Looks good. Come to the shape. Line, center, and 0.5. Okay. 80, center. Yeah. Group them now. Cancel, actually cancel, right? So cancel will be, okay, do the thing right, just a second, please. I've not seen this, right? So cancel should have this right button and it will, all right. So we have this and center, 0.5, okay, and all right, just a second, please. Copy and give it here. Uh-huh. Again, we left out one more thing. Yes, give the bit, so give the bit, right? Center from here, here, and group that. So banding color should be like orange. So orange, let's find some orange. Okay, copy. All right. Okay, progress. Okay, progress. Delivery shift are the same, so deleting this and duplicating this. Shift. Okay, we don't need this thing, so delete this. Same for this. We don't need this. So this short order is pending, right? And this also is pending. Okay. Okay, so it shows actually there should be more quick greens. Sorry. All right. It seems right. So okay, 16, the top. All right, it shows more. So instead of no, right, we have to align that. 14 or 12. Will find for this? Okay. All right, so we can group them now and get this. Again, okay. Right, group them. Sorry. Okay, group them. Right, finish up. Okay, align. And again, group them like this and this. Center it. There. Okay. So let's discount this. Let's clear it with a 4 point. And we can carry one of these colors from here. Okay, right here. Suppose will be the stroke, so stroke 0.5 center, right? Let it be. For the color, I will be taking up a color. Oh, can't be. Right, so good. And for this, right? So okay, right. So let it be. Now it's time for one more thing. Play. Okay, so 16. Let's ungroup them again. 16 is right. It's group. Okay. One more thing and ungroup that. Yes. Actually, we have to do it again. On the start, let okay, group them. Okay. Let 16 group them. Let 16 group them. Everything should be aligned clearly. Let 16 group. Right. So this is the part. Now we can align. Right. Good. Okay. Now we can group. Sorry. Group them. Right. This and this. 16 pixels. Right now. This. This. Right. But for now we are not aligned that. So group them. Oh, sorry. But haven't done more. Okay. This and they should group first. Check once more. Okay. Group. Then group this part. Okay. And for this and this should be that. Should have 16 pixels here again. Good. Looks good now. Now we can just make it a group here first. Right. So good. Right. What did happen? Select. So C 0.5 center. Okay. And group now. Good. Okay. So finally group this part. Okay. So we only left out with this one particular part. So don't worry. We will be giving up very soon. Yes. It'll be 16 pixels. Right. Okay. So with the last part. All right. So we are left out with this alone, right? So let's start with editing this. So, all right. So what we can do here is we have here this case. So let's check out its height and width, how much we can increase it. Okay. I'm doubling the width of this and this. All right. Okay. What else we can do it? All right. So we are just selecting it one by one. And this will be now enough, just good enough. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. What I'm I'm just decreasing its width to directly 600, so we can have here a little space for these numbers. Do we want this? Actually, we don't want this. Okay, good. Okay. If you see, if we have 12, right? So we can just introduce to it, let it be 12, right? For this as well, I'm leaving it for 12. Okay, so don't you don't need to worry. All right. We can increase its actually width to 500 or 450. So 450 is fine, and I'm duplicating this, for instance, right? We are projecting two last year and the current year. So we will designing it right. We were giving colors, stroke color to this. This will be right. But I'm just making it just two and center is okay. We can style it the dashed one because it will be past 4 months. We can give the gap of 5. That should be like more. Okay, so we have given the dash the 5. What else we can try? Okay, no, there is no need of that. Okay, so we have to increase. Okay, we don't want that. So let it be, right, with this. If you're having any trouble, visuality, right? So we can darken this. Okay, we can use this. So this will be a perfect, and this will be a current year. So we can choose a color. Actually, I'm thinking of this, and instead of 3, I'm just putting up 2. Good. So dynamically, this will be a current year. So I'm just showing a good raise in the orders. Okay, and okay, fine. All right, so we got it. Uh, it's not looking nice, but yeah, you can try. We can make it higher, and this should also right. Okay, but making it, I should increase the height to 200, I guess. Looking nice. Okay, this is making a drop here and putting it this one higher. All right, so it's looking good. Okay, so we can place it up and also 140 for this. Okay, good. Now align this. 150, right? Okay, so this will be looking good. Yes. Not too much, not. Align from the left and this. I guess it will be fine to group them. So I'm thinking like to remove the dash. It will be solid. Okay. Okay. And for this and this, I'm making it one center, and it should not be like too lighty. This will be fine. I'll make it like 9. So 9 is fine. Okay. 12, I'm making it medium, right? And also duplicating it, making it like last year. And or we can show the sales by the year's number, right? So 2023, 2024, or make it 25, as it not end, right? So 23 to 24, 25, right? Good. And making it on regular basis, not medium. Okay. And I'm making presenting an Netflix here. It should be 10 out of 10. Good. And giving it color of this nice. Okay, fine. So okay, rather than them, giving the gap of 16, I guess. No, 12 or 8. So it is fine. We can pass it out to here. And aligning them with this equality and passing the gap to 8 here as well. Group them and same here and make it 8 and group them. Now it's time to add a group here. Okay, let's check out these borders, right? So it is one, right? We have to make it 0.5 center and just a simple C. Good. Okay, so we have it bit, right? So we can draw it more right here. Should we change it to not from regular to light and make it maybe 12? Presenting the numbers. Giving it more 24, right? So it's too much, so we can add up to 24 and align it not center, but we can add it here. All right, so let it be. I'm making a group, selecting this. Okay, there, but okay, is it looking good? Yeah, of course. Let's check it out here. So we can see that there is a much lighter shape. We exactly will give this shade, right? Black 40%. So for same as it is, that's what I want. Black 50 will be fine here. And same for this. Okay, 50%. Yes. Okay, now it's looking good enough. I'm thinking about this as well. 50%. Right. Let it be. Okay, so far more than here, right? So everything is looking nice. So I'm just grouping the things here and there. Okay, so let's group them and bind it up with the other. Right, so everything has been grouped, right? Here, okay. But I guess one thing has been left out here. If you see clearly, right? So the borders of those other rectangles are not being enhanced, right? It's not being at the same width of one, right? One. As a mix, so I'm just making it center and making it changing it to zero point 0.5, right? Okay. And if you see as well, okay, yes, that's where is the difference are appearing. Make it a C, 0 0.5, C and 0 0.5, right? Good enough. And I'm thinking to change its weight one size to 12, right? For this as well, to 12. Okay, it's already 12, right? Good enough. That's what I'm thinking about it, right? So this will be clearly indicating a good UI structure. And exactly. Well, finally. Okay, so let's see. I hope it is looking nice. Okay, so let's see. Is everything is aligned under control? So let's first align these two things from the left. Oh, sorry. It's like this and this. Line left. I'm giving it is 16. Right, so it's have 16. Now group them. So bring this group that's up here. Is everything's fine? So it's already 16, right? We have give them 16 pixel, right? So changing it from the size 16, right? Okay. From the top, right? Okay. Good. All right, and group them here. Now check it out with this and this. 24, okay. Now check this. 24. Okay. It is from 7. Do we have here from 7? Yes. And actually, not giving it right, so making it here from exactly from 8. So it's 8 now, and same for this as 8. Okay, so 8. So this will belong to this, and having 24. Now this and this row will be 24 as okay, so now good. I'm making it 90. directly. So, all right, guys. So that's all for this video. Catch you up soon with the next video. I hope you got something on our from this, right? So this is the design ready. We have almost done. Let's compare our dashboard. Okay, right. We have almost catch it up here, right? So it's looking amazing, right? Because with the idea of this wireframe, we have created this black and white dashboard wireframe to this colorful design, right? So, well, we have made it. Thank you for being here till the end. Thank you. Please can support this video like you have done previously, and I'm just expecting more than because of the previous support. Please support it. Hit the like button. If you are new, please subscribe it, and please leave your suggestions in the comment box. It means a lot to me. Wherever, whatever you think about the video, please just input your comments, right? So that's all for this video. Thank you. See you in the next video.